Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss about what is a Boolean expression. Then I will discuss how to compute a dual for a Boolean expression and how to compute a complement for a Boolean expression and how the dual and complement are different to each other, and then I will discuss one theorem which will be useful for you to solve the or simplify the Boolean expressions. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. So coming to the Boolean expression, it is defined as it is a finite number of combination of Boolean variables and constants such as 0 and 1 by means of Boolean operations such as and, or, not. So, if you take some Boolean variables, let's take that you are taking Boolean variables A, B, C, okay, and you are taking some constants 0 and 1 by means of Boolean operations such as and, or, and not. Suppose let's take that if I am representing like this, A not, or, B and C. This is a Boolean expression. Is it clear? Even A complement or 1. This is also a Boolean expression. We don't worry what is the simplified expression, but this is a Boolean expression. Similarly, A and 0 is also one Boolean expression. So I hope you have understood what is a Boolean expression. Now we will discuss about dual of a Boolean expression, how to compute the dual. Lot of people will confuse with the dual and the complement. So first let me discuss about the dual. Okay, suppose if you have an expression called A or B C. For this expression, if someone asks you to find the dual of this expression, wherever the or is there, you make it as and. Wherever the and is there, B and C meaning is that B and C. Wherever the and is there, you make it as a or. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? So this is a dual of this expression. Suppose let me give another example. A complement, okay, and B plus C complement is there. For this expression, I want to compute the dual. Then A complement you will keep as it is. End is there, you make it as R. Okay, and then you B will be B as it is. And then R is there, you make it as AND. Okay, remaining thing, everything is same only. So if you want to write it as a generalized statement, if you have a R, okay, let me write it here. If you have a R, you will make it as a AND. If you have a AND in the expression, in the dual, you will make it as OR. So this is your expression, this is your dual expression. So if you have a OR, you will make it as AND. If you have a AND, you will make it as OR. And remember one thing, if you have a 1, the dual of 1 is 0. Similarly, if you have a 0, dual of 0 is 1. However, if you have a the dual of A is A only. A complement also A complement only. So this is the generalized way of representing dual of an expression. Okay, this is very important. Lot of people will confuse with this one. They will think that it is a complement. No. 1 dual is also 0, 0 dual is also 1. Okay, I hope you have understood how to find a dual of an expression. Is it clear? So I request everyone to note down these points. Now we will discuss how to find the complement of these expressions. Okay, how to find the complement of this expression. The same expression for what we have computed the dual earlier. Okay, so if I want to find the complement, then it is nothing but you are writing the expression over complement. Then you have to use the De Morgan's law. Am I right? It will be a complement, okay, if you have a plus means or, it will be converted into and you have a or which will be, sorry, you have a or, you convert it into and you have a b which will be b's complement. Okay, you have a and, it will become as an or, and you have a c, it will be converted as a c complement. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you does not understand, let me take another example. You have a ab or bc, so meaning is that you have a and b or b and c. This is one expression. For this one, if you want to find the complement, so take this one. A is there, you make it as a complement, very simple. You have a and is there, you make it as or. You have a b, make it as a b's complement. Done. Then you have a or, you make it as and you have a b, you make it as b's complement, and you have a and, you make it as or, and you have a c, you make it as c's complement. So this is the complement of the given expression. I hope you have understood. If I want to write it as a generalized way, if you have a plus, sorry, and not and or, okay, I'm always confusing with the plus and or. Okay, see, when we are writing the expressions, we will write it as a plus only, am I right? But as we are talking about the Boolean algebra and Boolean expressions, you should pronounce it as or. Okay, so or complement is and complement is or. Is it clear? The same applies to the dual also. And if it is 1, 1's complement will be 0, 0's complement will be 1. And A's means variables complement will be A's complement. B, it will become B's complement. If it is B's complement, it will be B. Remember this one. For B's complement, if you are computing again complement, which will be equal to B. Am I right or wrong? Simply let's take that 1's complement over complement. What is 1's complement? 0. 0's complement is what? Again 1. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Okay. So this is about the complement. If you have a or, it will be make it as and will be or, 1 will be 0, 0 will be 1, A will be A's complement, B will be B's complement, B's complement will be B. So this is the generalized representation of a complement. So I hope you have understood the difference between dual and complement and how to find a dual of an expression and complement of an expression. Now we will discuss the one important theorem which is required when we are simplifying the Boolean expressions. Okay, this theorem, it is called as Consensus theorem. Okay, now let me read it. You have, see, whenever I am writing A, B, it is nothing but A and B, A complement and C, B's complement and C. Okay, is it clear? Now you have LHS, which is A and B, or A's complement and C plus B and C, which is simplified as A and B. This expression came, means this one came, and this one came, this one is reduced, means this one is removed. Okay, how it is, I will discuss with a proof. Okay, take this LHS. LHS is having A and B, or A complement and C, and you have B and C. Now B and C and 1 is equal to what? BC only. Will you agree with me or not? Suppose A and 1 is equal to A only. Am I right or wrong? We just previous video I have discussed. If you want to prove, I will give it. You have A which can be 0 or 1. 1 will be always input will be 1. A and 1 is equal to what? You can check it. 0 and 1 is what? 0. 1 and 1 is equal to 1. So which is equal to the given input A. So BC and 1 is equal to BC. But I can write the BC as BC. I am not modifying the BC as anything. But I can write 1 as A or A's complement. Remember this one. A or A's complement is equal to 1. If you want the proof, you can write it like this. Anything, if you want to check whether LHS is equal to RHS, you just take the tables, okay, and then check it whether it is equal or not. A is what? 0 and 1. Okay, A's complement is what? 1, 0. Am I right? If it is 0, it will become 1. 1 will become 0. So, A or A's complement. Just you make the or. 0 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is equal to 1. Am I right or wrong? If any one of the input is 1, you will get the output as 1. So, I have made it as B, C and A or A's complement. If I simplify it further, it will be A, B, C, A's complement B, C. Okay, am I right or wrong? I have just used the multiplication. Okay, so now it will be what? From here, can I take AB as common? Yes, I have taken AB as common. It will be 1 or C. Is it clear? From here, what I can take common? A complement C, A complement C I can take common. So, which is equal to A complement C, 1 or B. Is it clear? Now, just now we have discussed 1 or C is equal to what? 1. Am I right or wrong? So, this will be equal to 1 and even this also totally will be equal to 1. So, AB and 1 is equal to AB. AC complement and 1 which is equal to AC. So, which is equal to the given RHS. So, we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. So, this is the redundant one. We have removed it. So, we have simplified the expression. So, I hope you have understood what is a Boolean expression, how to find the dual of an expression, how to find a complement of an expression, and what is the difference between a dual and a complement, and what is this theorem, and how I proved it also. If you still have any doubts related to the concepts which I have discussed in this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.